कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to all the dear friends and potential business buyers. We at Franchise India, we welcome all of you to our Business Opportunity with Chai webinar series. This is a digital representation of the business and the franchise option we have got for you. Franchise India is helping day in, day out all the investors in getting the maximum business solutions, suggestions and input from our side so that you understand the market, you understand end-to-end business model about the business opportunity and take the right decision. This is a 45-minute session where first we'll take you through the presentation of the brand so that you understand their current model, their current presence, and what kind of a value proposition they are creating in market. Then we'll move towards a panel discussion. There is a question and answer box, hence we request all of you to share your queries, your input in the same. We'll take your queries during our panel discussion. We invite and welcome management team of Franchise India to take our panel discussion. The brand which we are bringing and representing for all of you is Shang. It's a brand which is serving the best of the Chinese and Thai cuisine. And today we have invited founder of Shang, Mr. Prabodh Singh, to talk about his vision and how he started his journey. So thank you so much, Prabodh, for joining in today. Before we start the presentation, I would like you to invite to talk about your journey, how you started, and what kind of a vision you follow for this particular brand.
Hi, thank you so much. Very kind of you to welcome me. So to talk about Shanks, first of all, I started this brand 3 years ago. Although we are into legacy business of Chinese food for more than around 20, 30 years, but this particular brand we started 3 years ago. And in less than 2 years of franchising, we already have more than around 10 outlets in our current kitty. So looking to go forward and take this brand nationwide. And that is the simple target. Cuisine-wise, we are serving Asian cuisine. Now, when I talk Asian cuisine, that means we are serving Chinese, Thai, Japanese, Korean. The basic focus is Chinese cuisine. The others are, you can say, add-ons, which come about 10% in the menu. As far as the rest of the details are concerned, for example, we go into menu, we also have specialty categories. For example, healthy poke bowls. We have different unique items that we've created that do not exist in the market. The objective is that we need to capture the entire Indian market as far as the Asian cuisine is concerned. And right now we're going on a tremendous, trajectory, and that's the plan for now.
Sure. So thank you so much,
and
Mr.
if we
Singh.
talk about I'll also share a brief, mission that we have. This is, company mission that we have. that we talk about number of the target. So we are looking to expand to more than 1,000 outlets over the period of next 10 years. And this is a very realistic goal, as we know there are other brands in the industry who have done this.
Sure. So thank you so much, Mr. Singh, for sharing your dream about this particular brand and your vision. We have just started the PPT, so we can go slide by slide. So over to you.
Right. So basically, we currently have outlets based out of Chandigarh, Panchkula, Mohali, Zirakpur, and in almost all of these areas, we have two outlets each. So what we've done is we've basically done a cluster sort of a thing. So if any of these cities we talk, we have monopolized the market. So if we think of Asian cuisine or Chinese cuisine, we are the brand that will come to mind to any of the people living in that area. And that is the way we are going forward also, although we're doing pan-India expansion. But we look forward to partners who in each area, because even in these cases, we have 2 to 3 franchises who within of taking 6 months of our first franchise, they've taken the second outlet because they've understood that it's a very successful business model. And that is what we're looking going forward, that if in anywhere pan-India we're open, and wherever we open, the franchisee will obviously have huge success. And we're looking forward that we can completely capture that area in a very successful cluster model, wherein we are the market leaders. Archana, please go for the next slide. Next slide, please. Hello?
Mr. Singh, just allow us 30 seconds. There is some technical glitch there. Just
Sure.
Give me a second.
Sure, no problem.
I'm so sorry. I think I lost my connection. I'll just reshare my screen. Just allow me 1 minute.
Sure. Yeah. So now, as far as our model is concerned, it is basically a FOFO model, which is franchisee owned, franchisee operated. But we give a lot of the features of the FOCO model, because ultimately, at the end of the day, the objective is that it should be a very easy business for a franchisee. There should be no headaches for him. So there are a lot many things that we help him out with. First of all, we'll talk about the brand. So we give him a brand book, which is our usage guide, which has all the details as far as the brand is concerned. Because when he is opening at, or he or she is opening at a location, a brand, and the point of them getting a brand is that people should know, and all the operations should work like that. So the brand fonts, the images, the packaging and advertising information, and all the same for social networks, and for online advertising, the package of POS materials, that means our point of sale. So we give a software from our end to the franchisee for lifetime of the business. In that, every single thing is punched in the software. Everything is managed through the desktop at the site as well as the app. So the owner will have an app installed on his phone wherein he can see live what is happening at his outlet at any point of time. He will get daily reports, weekly reports, monthly reports. Then we give him the typical design solutions of the menu. The menu is designed by us and is also revisited every 3 months. So not just the design format, if we talk about the menu format also, every 3 months we look at the menu, and the top seller items, the marginality is increased by increasing the prices by about 5%. And the bottom is the least selling items are deleted and new items are given to the franchisee. So there's always, new items happening for the franchisee, and the customers are very satisfied with this. Then let's talk about the services that we provide. So we give them the full support for opening of the outlet. So as far as the staff is concerned or the operational guidance is concerned, we will help them for the full opening of the outlet. The development of the design of the project will be given by us. The architect will be given by us. The development of the menu will be given, and how to adapt to online and online promotional materials. Because in today's date, almost 40% of the business is online through Zomato, Swiggy, and other such apps. So we get them tie-ups done with these third party, and we get them at lower commissions. So it is a huge success for them. Then the marketing strategy, then we create their social network accounts. We create content for them for these social network accounts. And how do we implement a marketing strategy on these social media channels? Then when the outlet is opening, we send our own managers to open the outlet. Although they will have their own managers, but we will be sending managers from our head office as well so that the operations are extremely smooth. We'll be handing them over a lot of documents, for example, the guidebook, the technological maps, the branded recipes, the standard of raw materials for independent purchasing. We'll also be giving them, detailed job descriptions for each of their employees, because job role and how to manage the employees is a big factor. Then we'll be giving them contracts to sign with their staff so that HR never becomes an issue for them. We'll be educating them as well as offline at site, and then there'll be constant monthly online tutorials for them, which will be shared. Then we'll be giving them consultation of how to register your legal entity, because a lot of people are first time business people who have no idea how to go ahead. So for those people, we'll help them how to make their legal entity. We will help them how to get the equipment for all the products that they require. We will be consulting them in the suppliers. All the specialty raw material will be going through us, and any material that they need on a daily or weekly basis will also be through us. We will be giving them designated contractors who will supply them all the material at their counters, so they don't need to go anywhere to procure the raw material. Then we'll be giving them all the necessary documents for starting the trade. For example, their GST license we'll help them with, the food license we'll help them with. So all the necessary legal hassle is also taken care of. Then on a regular basis, we'll be trying them of how to follow a motivational system for the staff, so that the staff is always happy when they come to work, and they're motivated to increase their business. And obviously, we'll be giving them rights to use our brand name Shanks and all our technologies. Next slide, please. So when we talk about our brand, we're just showing you a couple of glimpses of how we operate. Our tagline is Progressive Asian Kitchen. And for example, right now you're seeing just a glimpse of one of the items of a menu, which is our progressive dim sums. So obviously the taste has to be key. The taste is number one. We know that, we've seen, we are highly rated on all the online platforms, including Google, but the product should look and feel great as well. So we've worked hard on that. From the packaging to the look, the feel, the taste, everything is very high quality and high end, and the customer appreciates that. And you can see from the image. Next slide, please. So the next slide, this is, for example, our noodle cum snacks box. So you see these are basically our spring rolls. So anything that we present has to be something that gives you a feel factor, and of course the taste has to be there. Next slide, please. This is a combo meal. So this is something for somebody who's working or going to office, or a student, or just somebody wants a complete meal on the go. So this is something very economical. For just about $200, a person get a complete meal. So basically our Progressive Asian Kitchen wants to cater to the concept that we are catering not just to the student category, not just to the office going category, but to the family category as well. So the entire menu is made in such a way that we are catering to the person who wants to spend, let's say, 150, 200 rupees also, and to a family gathering who wants to spend 3, 4, 5,000 also. So that, because we already have the equipment in place, we already have the manpower in place, so we are not losing out on any particular customer category. Next slide, please. So now talking about the financials, obviously a person who's buying a franchise, he has very less headache, because if he does it on his own, he has to start from scratch. So like I said, we are going to guide him for every single thing so that his life becomes really easier. Talking about the financial stats, we'll be offering two models right now. One is our cloud kitchen or kiosk model, and the other one is our shop model. So I'll talk about our kiosk model first. The area required for this model is about 100 to 300 square feet. So something as small as a food court, a shop in a food court, or a standalone in a booth, or a small shop up to 300 square feet can be done in this model. The total investment in this is 25 lakhs, which includes the franchise fee of 10 lakhs. In this 25 lakhs, the franchise fee is included, the kitchen equipment is included, the civil work is included, every single thing in making the outlet ready, like the lights, furnitures, fixtures, the counters, even the signage, the hardware, the software, the raw materials for 2 months, every single thing is done. So the outlet is completely done by us, so it becomes a zero hassle for the franchisee. The average approx payback period is about 1.5 years, and the monthly royalty that the person has to pay on this is 7% or 40,000 of the monthly sales. The social media fee is 1%, and the agreement is for 5 years, and thereafter we can renew it. If we talk about the shop model, that is a dine-in model. The area for that is about 500 to 1000 square feet. So any high street location, any mall location, or any place where we see there is a good already movement of people who are coming to other food outlets, or it's a running market, or there is a huge catchment of residential area nearby, is viable for this. The total investment in this is 45 lakh rupees. The franchise fee remains the same, and the payback period is 1 year, 10 months. The royalty and everything else also remains the same. The benefit the person gets out of this is that he has additional dine-in sale. So even every single month, online sale remains the same, but he gets in a lot of dine-in regular customer, and obviously it is a bigger format. The brand presence is also more. He will get regular recurring customers in this, and it is much easier and faster for him to recover the money. We also have an option of master franchisee, which we can discuss on ad hoc and personal basis. All the financial stats, the objective is, these are basically the standard financial stats. Location to location, we always see that wherever it is possible, if we can lower this for the franchisee, we do that. Just to give you a very small example, if we find a location, or the franchisee has a location which already a restaurant was running over there, so the civil work and the electrical work, the sewage work, a lot of the small things are already done. We will not redo them. We will analyze the site and we will guide him accordingly. For example, if I'm talking about the kiosk model or any model, if we see that he can save 2, 3, 4, 5 lakhs in a lot of the stuff that is already done, we will help him save that. The objective is that money saved today is profitability. So that is how we work. Our objective is that a franchisee should be profitable. And that is how we will always be thinking. Next slide, please. So the franchisee will get a set of ready-made business tools. He will get a brand book and guide. He will get a recipe and process maps. He will get a marketing strategy. He will get an automated billing system. So there is never any pilferage. There is never any confusion. He will be getting training for himself as well as the employees. So the employee training is obviously done, but a very key and important training is the training for the owner, for the franchisee owner. So this, we train the franchisee on how to be an owner, how he has to manage his staff, what key accounts and what financial figures does he have to look at on a daily, weekly or monthly basis, which will teach him how to be a business owner. Then we will give him all the supplies of the raw materials and the consumables. We will assist him in purchasing anything that is required on the spot. For any emergencies, we will guide him. Obviously, we will accompany him for the opening of the outlet. And even about 15 days to a month thereafter, we help him with our own staff required at that site if required. Next slide, please. So if we talk about one outlet strategy, everything is planned. So just like this particular slide, we can see that whenever we are in discussion with a franchisee owner, we will talk to him. Our managers will get in detail with him. We will discuss the terms and conditions. We will conclude with a contract so that there is hard paper backing up what is required for both of us. Once the payment is done, we will transfer the franchise package. We will give the training of the employees. We will implement the market strategy. We will assist him in purchasing the materials, the production equipment. Once the supply of equipment and raw material and consumables is done, we open the outlet. Next slide, please. Just to tell you about our group is Dynasty Group. We are into other cuisines also. For example, Shangs is our Asian cuisine. We have Masala Dynasty as our Indian. We have Sushi Soul as our Japanese. And Pro Pizza as a pizza brand. But right now we're only talking about Shangs, which is the progressive Asian kitchen. And obviously we have a lot of locations. And in fact, apart from this slide, we've also logged in a couple of other locations which are opening within the next 30 to 40 days. That'll be all for the slide presentation.
Thank you so much, Mr. Singh, for taking us through the entire presentation as well as your business model. Now I will invite Mr. Sanjay Bhatt, who is a senior resource at Franchise India, to take all the queries. And we request all our investors to please share their queries in a question and answer box. So thank you so much, Sanjay, for joining in. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Archana. Thank you very much, Mr. Singh, for your detailed presentation. And we have a lot of queries also coming in to us, otherwise also, because after having your Chandigarh participation, also a lot of people are very excited about this business, because we feel wherein we are coming in, F&B business, especially these kind of businesses are cash businesses, which attracts a lot of investors because it gives you a lot of revenue immediately from day one. So keeping that in mind, just want to have some understanding on the support system, what is there from your side, and the logistic wise, how we are helping our franchises, prospective franchisees, so that because in this franchise system, it's all about after sales service, the support which we are giving, how franchisee can grow in the local market, because local marketing is very important, how we are ensuring the consumer for my franchisee. So if you can just elaborate on these 2 points would be very, very helpful.
Sure. So first we'll talk about as far as the support is concerned. So the number one thing, like you said, opening the outlet is done, the money is spent. Now we look at the growth of the outlet, because the most difficult part is running the business for any business in the world. Opening is difficult, of course, but running it is 10 times more difficult. And we know that, and we know that from experience, we've done it. So the support we provide, the number one biggest support we provide is the manpower. For any business, HR is the biggest headache. So for lifetime of the business, whether it is the initial staff, whether it is after 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, we will be helping out in the management and the hiring of the staff. All the staff can be provided to us. So we give the franchisee an option. Whether he wants to hire on his own, we will let that happen. We will train the staff hired by him. If he wants the staff to be given by us, we will give him trained staff. So when I talk about trained staff, I am talking about from as low as the housekeeping, the helpers, of course, the chefs, as well as the managerial staff. So the HR and the key support systems that make sure that his life and his business is running smoothly will be given by us. As far as we talk about support for the growth of the business, so we know how to target our particular clientele. We've done it multiple times. We will supply him with exact marketing guides. So this will not be something that we say, "Achha, aap ye marketing kar lo, ya XYZ kar lo, ya paper mein ad de do." We will give him detailed analysis कि आप ये marketing करोगे, उसका ये result हम देख चुके हैं, इतने पैसे लगेंगे, ये option है. So for example, मैं 2-3 options देता हूँ आपको. For example, we will tell him कि आप SMS throw करो. अब वो SMS throw करने के लिए उसको data भी हम दिलवा के देंगे. उसमें क्या SMS में detail लिखनी है, the construct of the SMS, वो भी हम देंगे. Plus a link which goes in the SMS itself. Because marketing should not be done for the sake of marketing. It should be to generate sales. And that is how the franchisee grows. So उस SMS में हम link देंगे to order. So when somebody, for example, I'll tell him कि आपने 7:30 ये message drop करना है शाम को Friday evening पे, जिसमें order का link जाएगा. कि जैसे we'll take an example of Chandigarh. Yesterday it was raining. So we said, isn't it the perfect weather for hot steaming momos? और साथ में नीचे link हो के person clicks on that link और straight away उसके सामने उसकी image आ जाती है और add to cart आ जाता है. So this is a very small example of a marketing that we'll guide him कि जिससे उसकी sales भी generate होती हैं and he knows it. Rather than sending a random message at a random day and time which has no result, it will be very exact. So just like an SMS, the pamphleting, the social media marketing, everything as far as the marketing to grow the business will be done by us, and we will guide him on a regular basis. As far as the growth, we not only think of the sales growth, but we think of the franchisee as a growth also. Because our objective, quite frankly, when we join a franchisee is not that one outlet. We want that his money should be back in his pocket as soon as possible. He's earning a handsome amount per month, and we tell him, okay, now you can take a second franchise at this location. You can take a third franchise. You can become the master franchisee. So for him as a business owner, as a franchisee, even he knows that I have a growth trajectory. मेरा सिर्फ ये एक outlet खोल के सारी जिंदगी यहाँ पे बैठना path नहीं है. He will see how he can grow as a business owner, as a person in life.
Very helpful. I think you rightly said the marketing has to be customized. It is not something that marketing should be just to put in money and having no results. It has to be customized. What is to be done today? What is to be done tomorrow? Because at times, as you know, कि franchisee कोई भी आज के डेट के अंदर attract होता है, franchisee लेता है, invest करता है. उसके बाद कहीं ना कहीं एक gap आ जाता है जहाँ पे उनको ये idea नहीं रहता है कि अब मुझे क्या करना है. क्योंकि वो सपोर्ट, और मुझे लगता है अगर आप भी इस चीज से एग्री करेंगे कि आज मैं अपना ब्रांड ओवरनाइट स्टार्ट नहीं कर सकता, इसीलिए मैं किसी प्रून बिजनेस को एक अपना एक पार्टनर बनना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज दे हैव ऑलरेडी R&D डन, दे हैव अ सिस्टम, दे हैव प्रोसेसेस, दे हैव अ मेथोडोलॉजी, जिस मेथोडोलॉजी को मैं फॉलो करता हूँ और मैं भी ग्रो करता हूँ. दैट्स व्हाट माय यू नो, दैट्स व्हाट आई ट्राई ऑलवेज टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द यू नो प्रून बिजनेस. तो
बिल्कुल.
वो टाइम टू टाइम कहीं ना कहीं गैप आ जाता है बाद में कि उनको वो सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता. ये एक बड़ा
बिल्कुल.
कंसर्न रहता है. बहुत सारे इन्वेस्टर्स से जब हम बात करते हैं, उनका ये कहना होता है कि जी आज मुझे मार्केटिंग के लिए कोई सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता, मुझे इस बिजनेस को ड्राइव करने के लिए आगे कोई सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता. और वहां पे थोड़ा सा कंसर्न आ जाता है एक इन्वेस्टर का. और आपने
बिल्कुल.
बहुत यू नो अच्छी तरह से इसको हमने एक्सप्लेन किया है कि कैसे इस मार्केटिंग को इफेक्टिव बनाया जाए. और अगर वो सपोर्ट आपकी तरफ से है, दैट वुड बी वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर एवरी फ्रेंचाइजी. Second, you
बिल्कुल.
said the skilled manpower, which is very very concerning today. कि skilled manpower मिलना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. ये सपोर्ट हर फ्रेंचाइजी एक्सपेक्ट करता है कि मुझे एक फ्रेंचाइजर जो मेरा पार्टनर है, कंपनी है, वो सपोर्ट करे इस चीज पे एवरी टाइम. तो ये सपोर्ट क्या आप हर सिटी में इस टाइम पे पॉसिबल आपका कैसा है, बैकएंड आपने बनाया हुआ वो सपोर्ट कैसे? और थोड़ा सा हमें इस पे, आई थिंक कोई लॉट ऑफ इंक्वायरीज आर कमिंग टू अस आल्सो, व्हिच अगेन एंड अगेन आर सेइंग द सेम थिंग कि आज तो ठीक है, आज तो बनाने के लिए तो बात होती है, तो क्या हमें हर सिटी वाइज और कंपनी का क्या बैकअप प्लान्स है कि जो वो एक स्पोर्ट्स सिस्टम को पूरा यू नो अच्छा इफेक्टिव बनाया जाए?
So I'll tell you, anywhere in India, kahin pe bhi required ho, we can give the staff. And the objective is this only, that I own company owned outlets also. हमने अपने कंपनी ओन्ड आउटलेट क्यों रखे हुए हैं? इसलिए रखे हैं कि कहीं पे भी कोई भी इमरजेंसी हो, द बिजनेस ऑफ द फ्रेंचाइजी शुड नॉट सफर. सो मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं कि वीव सीन, मतलब हमारे साथ हो चुका है, दिस इज आउट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट वीव सीन दैट इन अ सिंगल डे नाइट शिफ्ट में कल मॉर्निंग में सारा स्टाफ ही नहीं पहुंचा. XYZ reasons, you know, reasons can be many, but what we make sure is within the next 3 hours we made sure our staff was there. So anywhere pan India, we are going to take maximum 1 day. हमने उसका काम रुकने नहीं देना. That is how we work. And for this we work पहले also. So just like I mentioned in our presentation, we have employee contracts. So the employee also knows that I am bound by a contract. And when we have, let's say, 6 to 7 people at an outlet, it is very rare that all of them go away in one night. So our head chef knows कि अगर मैं गया, मेरे नीचे मेरा कॉमी वन खड़ा है मेरी जॉब लेने के लिए, he is going to get a promotion, in fact. So the same way we have set up systems in place that all the employees, obviously contract is one thing, they know that there is a person standing right next to me to take my job, so he doesn't want to go. Now this is, you can say, a sort of a, इसको आप negative भी वो ले सकते हो, but इसको पॉजिटिव करने के लिए, लाइक अगेन आई मेंशनड, वी हैव मोटिवेशनल सिस्टम्स इन प्लेस. आई मेंशनड इन माय प्रेजेंटेशन कि हमने स्टाफ को मोटिवेटेड रखना है. एवरीबॉडी शुड सी अ जर्नी. अल्टीमेटली अगर हमने किसी स्टाफ को हायर करके दे दिया किसी फ्रेंचाइजी को, एंड दैट इज द एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर, तो उसको लगता है यार मेरी क्या ग्रोथ हो रही है. Every single person, be it a franchisee owner, be it a chef, being a housekeeping guy, they are looking for growth in life. So we have a plan कि हमारा जो housekeeping guy है, इसको हमने काम सिखा के आगे grow करना है. How he can be promoted? Every single year, all of our staff go through a process जिसमें हम check करते हैं कि इनकी एक साल में what have they learned. We take that into account, and every year the qualified staff is offered a promotion. So person who knows कि मेरी हर साल analysis होएगा और उस basis पे मेरी salary growth भी होएगी और मेरी खुद की एक genuine growth भी होएगी, he will always stay with you. So this process that we follow at all outlets makes sure that the staff doesn't go anywhere. God forbid any staff goes, we have ample staff additional kept at our required outlets, और वो हम immediately dispatch करते हैं for a franchisee. चाहे वो किसी भी तरीके का staff हो, we have backups in store for them for a whole time of the business. Hello.
So just allow us 1 minute. I think Sanjay has dropped out. So I will take one query from Amit Singh.
Sure.
He's asking, can we go for direct master franchise and what will be the cost? So if you are open for a master franchise, would you like to talk about it?
Yeah, we are open to master franchisee. Now the cost as far as the master franchisee is concerned is dependent very city to city and state to state. So in master franchisee, we have various options, whether it's the master franchisee of a city, whether it is a master franchisee of an area, whether it is of a state. So this is a very detailed question that we can probably take up with the franchisee. But obviously, it starts from the middle range. I can give you is around 50 lakhs. And depending upon which particular location the client is interested, we can guide him, because we have to see the scope of that market first. Accordingly, we will charge him the master franchisee fee. We already have it laid out, but I don't know which particular city or state this person is interested in. Accordingly, we can guide him.
Yeah, I think in the meantime, we can request all our investors and our business partners to have questions in the Q&A box, which we can take, and give your reference to your cities also, which city you are coming from, and what is your exact question coming out. We can take the answers from Mr. Singh also. So as per the rollout plan, where are, as per the company's plan, where we are going right now to start with, as per the expansions are concerned?
We are going pan-India, because another big thing that we have, which is very convenient for our franchisees, that we will not say, okay, first we need a master franchisee in this area, or we need for you to develop a base kitchen in that area. Any location, we make that outlet self-sufficient by the raw materials that we provide, by the consumers we provide. So whether we want to open an outlet in Bangalore tomorrow, we want to open an outlet in Bombay tomorrow, in Ludhiana, in Shimla, any location we can go ahead. And we aim and try that we open that outlet within 40 to 45 days of our sign up.
Yeah, I think there's one question, Mr. Singh, Mr. Amit Singh is asking from Karnal.
Yeah.
Can we go directly for master franchise? I think the answer is yes, we can go for the master franchise directly. And in that, what will be the cost he's asking for?
So for Karnal master franchisee,
you can have some understanding on what.
So for Karnal master franchisee, we will rather than looking at growth, we want the growth of the franchisee. So we will guide him in the master franchisee. Either he goes for his own company outlets, or when he is looking for franchisees, there has to be one key outlet from which he can sell. So the master franchise package will include one outlet that he opens himself. That is the way he gets very good growth and immediate trajectory, because the people in Karnal will be able to see, okay, one outlet is open here, we can take more franchisee. So for Karnal, I think our just the franchisee fee for Karnal will be 25 lakhs. The rest of the cost will be for his development, because my objective is not to take more franchise free from him. My objective is that he owns an outlet, earns a profit out of that outlet, and basis of that outlet also he can give further franchise.
And that will be very helpful also if he is opening up his own store first.
Absolutely.
Because that will become the reference. That will be the reference, because then somebody can trust. And yeah, that's very important to have own store and growing that store so that that can become the reference for others to come as a master franchise and a unit franchise. Okay. So I think if you're talking about any other question coming from my audience is what value additions in brand, unlike other local Chinese mushroom brands in all the areas. So maybe he's asking what extra coming from your brand, you know, because there are so many brands having these Chinese products available and selling these separately, but you are having a brand value added to it. So how will we get the value addition from giving them a brand name?
So I think the key factor for any franchisee is that what he gets as a brand value is, of course, number one is the taste. The taste, we have already seen that we are extremely highly rated. We know that if we are giving, let's say, in just 2 years, we've given more than 10 franchisees, there is a customer palette that is being accepted very fast, and all the outlets are profitable. So the number one key factor here I will mention is the taste. The taste and the recipes and the SOPs and all the raw materials that we will be giving cannot be procured by the local, for example, I don't want to call them competition also, but they cannot be procured by them because we are importing these materials. So for example, I am importing a container from Thailand for a particular Thai sauces. That cannot be done by the local competition because it's so expensive that it is unviable for him. For us, we can do that because we are catering to all our franchisees. Then these recipes and these raw materials are secrets. We have not shared them with anybody. So they are coming from us to a franchisee, and it remains a non-disclosure between us. So the competition or any of these small outlets will never be able to offer the same flavor profile that we offer. The technology support, they don't have. The brand book and the guides, they don't have. something as good as the packaging, the presentation, the feel factor they don't have. The social media support that we're giving, everything is social media today. Whatever we're doing has to be very Instagrammable. It is a very keyword. We do that. We focus on these things. So our competition is not these outlets. Our competition are multinational chains who are in different cuisines altogether. So if a customer says, how can we beat Domino's? So that is a reasonable question. These small outlets are something that we're not even thinking about.
To be very honest, it's the right answer, because we should not look at these things. So we should look at the bigger brands wherein the challenge is. Smaller who are there, the local markets, this will always remain there. But that is not that's not a business, because if we are talking about as a brand, it always creates value to give a professional touch to any business, because then he will drive in his own local city. So from my side, I think I'm done. But last question. One of my investors is asking, are we open for East? So I believe, yes, we are open for Pan India for sure. That's what we have discussed. But when we are talking about, further, since they are talking about East, so we are open for East, we are South, so we have on the Pan India rollout is there. Last question would be, how many stores right now we are running right now, company owned or franchisee also?
So one outlet we are running company owned, and 8 we have running franchisees, and 3 franchisees we've already signed off where the civil work is going on, which will be opening in the next 40 to 60 days.
Wonderful. That's very helpful, and give us the confidence also to the next to be franchisee, because
Absolutely,
you are already having a network started at the starting level. If you are having 8-10 franchises, it brings a lot of confidence to any other new prospects to become your partner. So with that note, I think we can invite a lot of applications further to have one-on-one call with you, to get more interactive sessions with you, to know more about financials and the business model and the sport. All the questions, we will take it up, and I would request all my IFC partners also who have joined today to get the information done from your respective investors and take it to the next evaluation process. Once you are coming on the call, and then you can give them the better understanding for once the selection process would be done. Selection would be always there from both sides, but I feel you should look for a right partner who can be a longer period associate with you. So from the selection point of view, I don't think so there's any selection criteria for any franchisee today. If anyone who is passionate about F&B business can be a good partner for you, and rest, because brand value will always get the training, sport, and all those stuff for the prospective franchises. No worry from franchisee perspective, if we're talking about that, you will get all the support, and we are also very proud to get associated with you to bring this opportunity on board, and we together will make it successful. Thank you very much for answering all the questions and all the queries you have taken very, very in a right way, and we are looking forward for successful association together. Thank you very much from my side, and over to you, Archana, if you can now take it.
Thank you so much, Mr. Singh, for joining in today. Thank you so much, Sanjay. All the dear friends, we have kept a special day, which is our Discovery Day, where you have chance to meet and have to one-to-one interaction with Mr. Prabhjot on 23rd of September. That's the day. Please book your slot with us for at a business hotline number, which is 9717683838. That day you have a entire day fixed for you, so you can definitely book a slot with us. Our sales team will definitely be in touch with you. Please do connect with us at the different social handles. We are available at Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, as well as Twitter. You want more guidance, information, input, more suggestions, it's very easy to get it. Just join the management team of Franchise India at their LinkedIn platform. Link we have already shared on the screen. And tomorrow, under our Saturday weekend show, we are inviting you to join us for ROI show. Here we are bringing 3 top business opportunities where the brand founder will talk about these business opportunities along with how you can get a ROI. And the franchise guru, Mr. Maria, would join us to give tips on a ROI. So please don't miss this chance. Join us tomorrow sharp 12 p.m. by doing registration. You can do registration either at our business hotline number or go to Facebook page where we have shared the registration link. Thank you once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.